In this video, I'll show you how to install and download apps on your iPad Air 5th generation from 2022. So the first step is to go on the App Store. The App Store is the icon right here that looks like this one. You need to tap on it. Once it's open, you need to press here on the top right corner. So you should see here your Apple ID email with your name, all this thing. You absolutely need to be logged with an Apple ID to download any apps from the App Store. The good news is you don't have to have a credit card to download apps, but you have to log in. Okay, so just make sure you're there. When you're done, you just need to press the Done button up and you'll be able to browse and download apps. So how do you do this? Well, there's many ways to do it. And here on the bottom of the screen, you have a few options. You have Today here that will show very popular apps. You have Games. By pressing it, you're gonna only see games, not other apps will be presented to you. And again, there are thousands and thousands of games. Apps here in the middle, this will show you apps that are not games, so productivity apps, apps for streaming, social media, and other things. And you also have Arcade here. Arcade, you'll need a subscription to use it. I don't want to go in details, but it's mostly for games. So if you want to have unlimited access to a few games, well, you can check this out, but I don't want to do this. Finally, if you want to search for a specific app, let's say you want to download Facebook, okay? You just need to press on the search button right here, and you'll need to tap here under search and type Facebook or whatever app you want to download. Okay, once you're done, you're going to press search. It will take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. What you need to do now is to tap on the app that you want to download, but you can also tap this small icon over here. If you don't see this icon, maybe you see something that looks more like, maybe you see something like this. Well, it says get, then you can press on get. Okay, let's press it. Here it will just confirm with you that you actually want to install this app. So if you really want it, you're going to press the install button right here in the middle. And it will ask you to sign into your Apple ID. So you need to enter the password. This is done the first time, and after that you won't have to enter it every time because then it will take way too much time. Okay, once I enter it and I select OK, you should be done. You should have a small confirmation popping up and the download should be started right here. Whoops, I click on it, but you should see here a small circle loading. This means that it's actually downloading and installing. Once it's done, you're going to see the open button right here. You can press it and it will open the app that you just downloaded. Here we go. Okay. Once it's downloading, by the way, you can exit the App Store. You don't have to stay there. And on the home screen here, you should see the app that you downloaded at the end of the other ones that you have on your iPad Air. Also on the App Store, when browsing, you can also tap on the app, let's say that you want more information about, without pressing on the Get button. Let's say I want more info about this one. And you'll see a few screenshots here. And you'll also be able to read the reviews, so you can see what other persons are saying about that app. At the end of this, you'll also be shown some similar apps that you may be interested in downloading too. This is up to you. So this is it. This is how you download apps and install them on your iPad Air 5th generation from 2022. Please leave a like, subscribe, and maybe even a comment.